There's a reason to believe again when faith is nowhere to be found. Try to find the strength to try again and stand on solid ground.
Hello beautiful people! Welcome to Celebrity Home. Ang video ng anak ni na Andy Eigenman at Filmar Alipayo na si Lilo na nagpapakita ng kanyang galing sa surfing ay tunay na nakakabilib. Makikita sa kanyang mga galaw na may likas na talento siya at tiyak na nasusundan ang yapak ng kanyang mga magulang sa larangan ng surfing. Samantala sa isa pang video ni Lilo kasama ang kapatid na si Koa ay sinusubukan nilang lumangoy sa dagat at nag-e-enjoy sila sa magandang tanawin sa ilalim ng tubig. Ito ay nagpapakita ng kanilang pagkakaroon ng masaya at masiglang karanasan sa kalikasan. Ang mga ganitong video ay hindi lamang nagpapakita ng kanilang kakayahan, kundi pati na rin sa kanilang pagmamahal sa dagat at paggalang sa kalikasan.
Have you ever been the face, been the object of someone's hate? Like you stood all alone. Have you ever felt this way? Have you ever been betrayed, labeled words you just can't say? Suffered silently, wanting to be erased. There's a reason to believe again when faith is nowhere to be found. Try to find the strength to try again and stand on solid ground. You keep searching for a hero. You just want to find a friend. You just want to make a difference. Bring this battle to an end. All the words that make you stronger when you learn how to look within. 'Cause you're the hero that you're after. You are the hero, hero. You are the hero, hero. You are the hero, hero. You are the hero. Have you ever wanted peace, to feel the freedom of release?